Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Daily AI Brief. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking developments reshaping the AI landscape. From AI frameworks integrating with popular messaging platforms to significant strides in memory solutions and SaaS transformations, you'll want to stick around. We'll walk through key updates like Photon's Spectrum, Hugging Face's ML-intern, and more, impacting developers and enterprises alike. Let's get into it. In a world where instant messaging is king, integrating AI into platforms like iMessage and WhatsApp can change how users interact with technology. This is where Photon's new open-source TypeScript framework, Spectrum, comes in, providing developers the tools to deploy AI agents directly into these messaging apps. Here's what happened. Spectrum bridges the gap between AI capabilities and popular messaging platforms. It simplifies the process for developers, offering a unified API that can handle the intricacies of platforms like Slack, Discord, and Instagram. This way, AI agents can be integrated directly into the user experience without needing separate app development for each platform. Technically, Spectrum is a unified messaging SDK that manages platform-specific quirks across different services. It offers low-latency infrastructure aimed at delivering sub-second message responses. Additionally, the framework includes adaptive content rendering to adjust the displayed content according to each app's characteristics. Observability controls are also built in to monitor interactions effectively. Spectrum's architecture ensures minimal delay, optimizing for sub-second message delivery across diverse platforms, although Photon hasn't disclosed specific latency metrics. The framework's low-latency design is crucial for maintaining real-time interactions, particularly when user expectations are high for immediate feedback in messaging apps. While Spectrum presents numerous advantages, there are trade-offs. The maturity levels of integration vary widely across platforms. iMessage integration is more advanced, whereas WhatsApp and Telegram are still catching up in terms of feature completeness. Developers working on these platforms may face inconsistencies due to API differences or undocumented features and limitations. Additionally, the sustainability of Spectrum, as an open-source project, is under scrutiny. If market conditions change or support dwindles, it could affect Spectrum's development pace and long-term viability. Moreover, developers might hesitate to adopt due to past experiences with similar frameworks that became deprecated or unsupported. For those interested in exploring Spectrum, installation is straightforward. Use npm install Spectrum TS to get started, and delve into the unified API documentation available on Photon's official website. Testing deployments across various messaging platforms can reveal how well Spectrum fits your specific needs. Ultimately, Spectrum represents a step forward in AI agent integration, streamlining deployment, and boosting engagement. It's a tool worth watching for developers aiming to deliver rich user experiences through popular communication channels. Its ability to embed AI directly into apps that users frequently interact with could potentially redefine user engagement with AI in messaging systems. Hugging Face continues to innovate in the AI space with the recent release of ML-intern, an open-source AI agent designed to automate post-training workflows for large language models, LLMs. This cutting-edge tool aims to significantly alleviate the burden of manual workloads in machine learning research, a process traditionally laden with intensive human input. Core capabilities: ML-intern automates a series of critical tasks integral to the development of robust LLMs. These tasks include reading academic papers from platforms like Ahrefs, where it autonomously extracts and processes research findings, creating and refining datasets crucial for training, executing complex training jobs, real-time debugging, and iterating on model designs. This breadth of capabilities is achieved through the integration of sophisticated algorithms that prioritize optimization and efficiency. One of the standout features of ML-intern is its ability to handle and interface with various machine learning frameworks, thereby supporting a comprehensive post-training workflow. This allows developers to shift focus from cumbersome manual processes to core model development and innovation. Performance metrics. The performance benchmarks of ML-intern are impressive. It achieved a 22-point improvement on the GPQA score within a mere 10-hour timeframe. Furthermore, it demonstrated a 60% enhancement on the health bench metric. These numbers illustrate not only its efficiency in handling post-training processes, but also its potential to transform how we fine-tune and evaluate AI models. Practical implementation. For professionals eager to leverage ML-intern's capabilities, the first step is to clone its repository from Hugging Face. Users can run demo scripts to witness its functionality firsthand. Detailed documentation is available on Hugging Face's official website, which provides guidance on utilizing example datasets, running initial tests, and integrating ML-intern into existing workflows. Challenges and considerations. While the promise of reduced manual input is attractive, there are challenges. The reliability of its autonomous capabilities still requires extensive validation across diverse projects. Generalization of performance across all types of tasks remains a key concern. Additionally, integrating ML-intern into established workflows could pose certain technical challenges, especially concerning compatibility with existing datasets and frameworks. Future implications. The implications of adopting ML-intern are substantial. For enterprises, it represents a potential game changer in streamlining AI workflows, accelerating deployment times, and reducing costs associated with manual processes. It encourages developers to focus on innovation while allowing automated systems to manage routine post-training activities. Additionally, the open-source nature of ML-intern democratizes access to advanced machine learning methodologies, fostering an inclusive community for AI development. In conclusion, ML-intern holds the potential to revolutionize AI workflows post-training, serving as a precursor to broader automation trends within the field. As it matures, it may pioneer new standards for how technological advancements in AI are practically implemented and optimized. Google is making waves with the release of Gemma 4, a versatile AI model optimized for use across both powerful servers and minimalistic local systems like smartphones, capturing the attention of both enterprise and individual developers. Released on April 2, 2026, Gemma 4's introduction marks a major push forward in making advanced AI more accessible, regardless of a user's hardware capabilities. Gemma 4 features 4 different models: 31B Dense, 26B Mixture of Experts, MOE, Effective 4B, E4B, and Effective 2B, E2B. These models cater to different hardware scenarios, from robust workstations to edge devices like Raspberry Pi, with a strong focus on minimizing latency and maximizing adaptability. Notably, the 31B Dense model has achieved a number 3 ranking on the Arena AI Text Leaderboard, while the 26B MOE follows closely at number 6, showcasing their top-tier performance capabilities. Technically, Gemma 4 supports multimodal functionalities encompassing image, video, and text processing. This enables the model to handle diverse data types, bolstering its utility in various applications across industry sectors. It's integrated with platforms like Hugging Face and Google Vertex AI, allowing developers to deploy AI solutions seamlessly. The 26B MOE uses a mixture of experts for task specialization, significantly enhancing efficiency in addressing specific, nuanced tasks. This type of architecture is particularly beneficial for applications requiring differentiated processing paths. The models offer substantial flexibility, with context windows extending to 128K tokens for edge models and up to 256K for larger models. This allows for the processing of longer documents in a single prompt, a crucial feature for applications in legal documentation and research analysis where extensive data interpretation is required. A significant trade-off is the uncertainty of the model's performance on varying hardware configurations, especially smaller models in complex tasks. For example, while E2B and E4B models feature near-zero latency, which is ideal for on-device applications needing immediate responsiveness, their ability to handle intricate tasks without performance degradation remains under scrutiny. Moreover, the transition to Apache 2.0 licensing is pivotal, as it permits full commercial use without the restrictions seen in proprietary licenses, yet comprehensive performance assessments against competitors like Meta's Llama 4 are not fully detailed, leaving a knowledge gap for potential users. For a practical trial, interested users can start by cloning the model repository from GitHub to get hands-on experience with Gemma 4. Exploring demos on Hugging Face can offer insights into practical applications, while reviewing in-depth benchmarks on Gemma4.wiki will help in understanding the deployment nuances. Following deployment instructions on Google's documentation can further assist in setting up local models tailored to specific environments and needs. Ultimately, the release of Gemma 4 represents Google's ambition to democratize AI access globally. By allowing sophisticated AI applications to run efficiently on a vast array of devices, Gemma 4 holds the potential to significantly lower the entry barriers for AI adoption, making it a pivotal tool in the arsenal of developers aiming to build scalable, local AI solutions. This development not only propels technological inclusivity forward, but also promises to reshape consumer interactions and enterprise solutions in profound new ways. On May 19th, 2025, Microsoft unveiled the Discovery Platform, an innovative tool designed to transform the realm of research and development through the use of agentic AI. This platform marks a significant step forward, enabling researchers to collaborate with AI agents in ways that were previously not possible. The core of Microsoft Discovery is its sophisticated graph-based knowledge engine, which facilitates advanced data handling and reasoning capabilities. This engine enables the platform to support complex processes such as hypothesis formulation and experimental simulation. By leveraging these capabilities, organizations can conduct nuanced R&D activities with enhanced precision and autonomy. Significantly, the platform integrates with existing tools and models, minimizing disruption to current systems and allowing for seamless adoption across sectors. Technical insights and capabilities. The platform's technological framework incorporates agentic AI designed to engage in real-time collaboration with human researchers. It employs advanced algorithms specifically tailored for hypothesis generation and utilizes feedback loops to support iterative learning processes. This design ensures that the platform can handle an extensive array of scientific workloads, accommodating diverse datasets and workflows that are central to various fields of study. Numerical impact and projections. In terms of potential impacts, Microsoft anticipates that Discovery could reduce R&D timelines by as much as 30%, though this estimate is still speculative. Additionally, it is expected that the integration capabilities will drive an initial adoption rate among tech firms of at least 25% within the first year. These projections highlight the platform's potential to revolutionize the R&D landscape by optimizing innovation cycles and refining research methodologies. Practical steps and resources. For organizations looking to explore Microsoft Discovery, practical steps include visiting the Microsoft Azure blog /azure.microsoft.com/blog, transforming RD with agentic AI, introducing Microsoft Discovery, MSOC-ID equal 315-355-A68976D85175 F4329664 OpenAI for detailed features and guidance. Furthermore, Microsoft provides comprehensive documentation on agentic AI integration techniques and hosts webinars that offer insights into practical implementations. Engaging with these resources can help organizations gain a deeper understanding of how to effectively utilize the platform. Trade-offs and challenges. While the benefits are promising, there are challenges to consider. High initial costs for training personnel and integrating the AI systems can be considerable, especially for smaller organizations. Concerns around data privacy and security, including potential prompt injection attacks, must be addressed to maintain data integrity and trust. Additionally, specialized skills may be required to operate and maintain such advanced systems effectively. Broader implications. Beyond individual organizations, Microsoft Discovery holds the promise of dramatically enhancing R&D efficiency across various industries, altering traditional research dynamics. This could lead to faster scientific discoveries and innovations, significantly impacting the competitive landscape for tech companies heavily invested in R&D. By positioning Microsoft as a leader in AI-driven enterprise solutions, the platform not only promises immediate efficiency gains, but also long-term strategic advantages for adopters. As the platform gains traction, its influence could extend into regulatory and ethical discussions surrounding AI's role in research and decision making, further shaping how technological advancements are pursued and governed. OpenAI has unveiled Euphony, an open source tool designed to provide better visualization of AI model interactions, offering developers deeper insight into AI behavior, particularly for Harmony chats and codex session logs. This release marks a significant advancement in AI observability, targeting the specific needs of developers within OpenAI's ecosystem. Euphony transforms raw data into an interactive, browser-based timeline. This format allows developers to visually explore AI interactions, making the analysis of model behaviors and response patterns more intuitive. The tool's interactive design supports efficient debugging by unveiling trends and anomalies that were previously hidden in complex data logs. Technically, Euphony is structured as a browser-based application designed to handle data sourced from Harmony chat records and Codex CLI session logs. These logs, often stored in JSON-L format, present a challenge in their raw state due to their complexity and volume. Euphony addresses this by converting these complex logs into human-readable visual timelines, equipped with robust filtering capabilities that enable users to pinpoint specific interactions. This targeted visualization aids in pattern recognition, allowing developers to detect subtle trends in AI responses, which are crucial for improving model performance. Although specific metrics on latency are not disclosed, the tool is freely available, facilitating broad access for developers. The main trade-offs associated with Euphony include its specialized focus on OpenAI's platforms, potentially narrowing its utility for developers working outside this ecosystem. Integration with non-OpenAI tools or datasets might not be straightforward, possibly requiring additional configuration efforts to accommodate high-complexity use cases. For those interested in leveraging Euphony, a practical next step is to visit its GitHub repository, where detailed installation and usage instructions are provided. By exploring the interactive timeline functionality, users can better understand how to make the most of Euphony's features for visualizing Harmony data. Additionally, the tool's filtering options offer a powerful way to dissect specific elements of codex session logs, aiding focused investigations and strategic debugging efforts. Euphony's release could influence industry standards in AI observability by enhancing transparency and encouraging more nuanced understanding of AI systems. As the community explores its potential, Euphony might become a catalyst for similar tools across other AI platforms, fostering an ecosystem of improved AI development practices and outcomes. Google has taken another leap in AI integration with the introduction of AutoFrame, a sophisticated tool within the Google Photos editor that optimizes image compositions using artificial intelligence. This innovative feature not only signifies Google's commitment to enhancing user experiences across its platform, but also offers a glimpse into the future of photo editing. Initially exclusive to Pixel 9, AutoFrame is now reaching a broader audience, exemplifying Google's strategy to democratize high-quality editing tools. By leveraging AI, AutoFrame suggests how to crop, widen, or fill spaces in photos, providing users with a seamless editing experience. This automation of tasks that once required manual intervention allows users to produce polished photographs without the technical know-how typically required for professional editing software. At its core, AutoFrame employs generative AI models along with machine learning algorithms that intricately analyze image perspectives. These algorithms take into account various elements such as subject positioning, image layout, and optimal framing. Through this real-time analysis, these AI models considerably increase the speed and precision of the editing process. The tool is supported by APIs designed to ensure compatibility and enhanced performance across both Android and iOS devices. The AI model powering AutoFrame was introduced in May 2025 with the intent to cut down photo editing time by up to 50%. This efficiency boost is crucial, particularly for users who manage extensive photo libraries. Reports indicate initial user satisfaction rates hovering around 75%, signifying a generally positive reception of the feature. However, like any new technology, AutoFrame's performance is subject to certain constraints. The processing involves a latency of approximately 300 milliseconds under optimal conditions, which, while relatively quick, could be further improved. The rollout strategy for AutoFrame has been thoughtfully gradual, aiming to gain insights from diverse user experiences across different regions and devices. However, this means that not every user will have immediate access, and impressions may vary based on the device's processing capabilities and image complexity. Trade-offs inherent to AutoFrame include its varying effectiveness depending on device models and types. While AI can enhance editing by offering data-driven suggestions, it might not always align with an individual user's creative vision, possibly limiting total reliance on AI. Some photography enthusiasts might prefer the tactile engagement of manual editing, which allows for a more nuanced control over the final output. For users eager to explore AutoFrame, initiating a trial is simple. Open Google Photos and select a photo to test the feature's suggested compositions. Experiment with different angles and edits to fully understand its capabilities. Further, the official Google blog provides in-depth documentation and insights into the AI technologies integrated within Google Photos, offering valuable learning resources for users looking to maximize their use of the tool. The launch of AutoFrame within Google Photos underscores a pivotal shift toward AI-driven functionalities in the realm of digital imagery, making professional-level photo enhancements more accessible to everyday users. As AI continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to see how these developments contribute to the broader landscape of mobile photo editing, pushing users' creative boundaries while maintaining simplicity and accessibility. Artificial intelligence, AI, is fundamentally reshaping the software-as-a-service SaaS landscape. The launch of Anthropic's Claude Cowork plugin exemplifies this transformation by integrating a multitude of SaaS functions into a streamlined user interface. This innovation alone catalyzed a dramatic $300 billion decline in the cumulative market value of SaaS stocks, highlighting the significant impact AI is exerting on the industry. AI's presence within the SaaS ecosystem has expanded swiftly. From representing less than 1% of the global market in 2023, AI-driven solutions have surged to 6% by 2026. This growth underscores a pivotal movement towards services that are increasingly dynamic and personalized, driven by AI technologies that cater to user-specific needs and preferences. The Claude Cowork plugin stands out by automating tasks traditionally managed manually, allowing for real-time workflow adjustments based on user behavior. This not only enhances efficiency, but also adapts to the evolving demands of users. For legacy SaaS providers, these shifts necessitate a strategic pivot. Adopting cloud-native architectures and AI-driven frameworks is essential for scalability and sustained competitiveness. The numbers are telling. Companies like OpenAI have reported a staggering 428% growth rate, illustrating the escalating investments in AI technologies. This financial commitment is altering enterprise software budgets, which increasingly prioritize AI initiatives over traditional spending patterns. However, this transition is not without its challenges. The adoption of AI presents trade-offs and risks of potential vulnerabilities, including dependency on AI systems. Additionally, there is an ongoing debate regarding the sustainability of traditional SaaS models as AI continues to evolve. To successfully navigate these changes, SaaS companies should critically assess their AI integration strategies. Moving towards usage-based pricing models can align their revenue structures with AI-enhanced service offerings. Experimentation with tools like the Claude Cowork plugin can help companies harness AI's capabilities to improve functionalities and customer experience. As AI-driven innovation defines the future of SaaS, businesses must respond with agility and foresight. Those who are proactive in integrating AI into their operational frameworks will not only survive but thrive in this rapidly changing landscape. MemPalace, co-developed by Mila Jovovich and Ben Sigman, is revolutionizing AI memory management by addressing the challenges of maintaining full conversational context. The project employs the ancient method of loci, enabling AI systems to store complete discussions verbatim, a stark contrast to traditional memory approaches that often rely on summaries, risking loss of nuance. Technical innovation and efficiency. The MemPalace system achieves an impressive 96.6% recall rate with just 170 tokens at startup, operating entirely locally to eliminate reliance on external APIs. This is particularly crucial for organizations prioritizing privacy and security. The system's fabric is woven from open-source threads, organizing memory spatially. This spatial hierarchy allows quick and robust data retrieval while ensuring comprehensive context retention. By storing entire conversations verbatim, AI can maintain the intricate details required for sophisticated interactions. Performance and community engagement. In the weeks following its release, MemPalace garnered over 38,000 stars on GitHub, an indication of significant community interest and engagement. It also boasts a 100% score on the LongMemVal benchmark, setting a new standard for AI memory systems. However, such accolades are not free from scrutiny. The validity of these performance metrics remains a topic of ongoing debate. Challenges and critiques. Despite its innovative approach, MemPalace faces several challenges. The effectiveness of the method of loci, a mnemonic device with origins in ancient memory techniques, varies among applications. Furthermore, skepticism surrounding a celebrity's involvement in a technical project poses an additional hurdle. Many developers accustomed to traditional memory systems might resist transitioning to MemPalace's novel framework. #, Practical steps for integration. For those interested in exploring MemPalace further, it is recommended to visit the official MemPalace website, mempalace.tech/utms/OpenAI, for detailed documentation. Developers can access and contribute to the codebase via its GitHub repository, fostering an open-source community that thrives on collaboration. Engaging in discussions on platforms like Unite.ai can also provide valuable insights from peers and experts. Future implications. MemPalace has the potential to redefine AI memory management standards significantly. Its approach could lead to more natural and contextually aware AI interactions, influencing both enterprise solutions and user experiences. Moreover, the security benefits of operating locally without external dependencies cannot be overstated, suggesting a future where AI handles data with greater autonomy and safety. Conclusion. Ultimately, MemPalace's approach challenges existing norms in AI memory by leveraging ancient techniques to resolve modern problems. While controversies and skepticism exist, the venture could inspire further innovations in AI memory solutions, blending the benefits of open-source collaboration with privacy-oriented, robust memory management. Forge Nano is on the brink of entering public markets through a merger with Archimedes Tech SPAC Partners 2 Co., valuing the company at approximately $1.2 billion pre-money, with a potential equity value of $1.595 billion, assuming no redemptions. This strategic move underlines the escalating momentum in advanced manufacturing technology sectors due to growing demands from AI and defense industries. The transition to the NASDAQ under the symbols Nano and Nano W is instrumental to Forge Nano's goal of scaling US-based semiconductor and battery production. The core of their technological advance is atomic layer deposition, ALD, a process that applies ultra-thin coatings at the atomic level to enhance the durability and performance of semiconductor and battery materials. This is particularly beneficial in applications where material robustness and efficiency are critical, such as in high-performance computing and energy storage. Forge Nano's proprietary atomic armor platform is pivotal in achieving these enhancements. By depositing layers as thin as one atom at a time, ALD allows for precise control over material properties, offering significant improvements over traditional coating methods. This positions Forge Nano as a crucial player in a market projected to reach an addressable size of over $359 billion by 2034. The company's growth is further bolstered by a $100 million grant from the U.S. Department of Energy, which underscores governmental support for expanding domestic technology capabilities. However, the path forward is not without challenges. The semiconductor and battery industries are fiercely competitive, requiring Forge Nano to navigate complex market dynamics and ensure their merger process is executed efficiently. Achieving scale while maintaining stringent quality controls will be essential, as will securing necessary regulatory approvals. The evolving landscape of AI and defense sector demands may also pose challenges in aligning production capabilities with market needs. For those interested in delving deeper, Forge Nano's website offers insights into their cutting edge technologies, and recent press releases provide updates on their corporate strategies and NASDAQ listing details. These resources are invaluable for potential investors and partners aiming to understand the company's growth trajectory and strategic objectives. Ultimately, this merger represents a significant stride towards reinforcing U.S. manufacturing and promoting innovation within AI and semiconductor technologies. Forge Nano's advancements could potentially revolutionize material applications, boosting performance in critical sectors and reducing reliance on foreign imports, thereby strengthening national supply chains in pivotal industries. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that AI is advancing rapidly, reshaping industries from SaaS to semiconductor production. These developments underscore the importance of staying informed and adaptable in our changing technological landscape. We'll be back with more updates and insights in our next episode. Keep experimenting and innovating.